Mr. Vice President of the Republic of Indonesia. We are honored, truly honored, His Excellency Gibran Rakabuming Raka, Mr. Vice President of the Republic of Indonesia, is able to join Indonesia-Afrika CEO Forum in the sideline of G20 Leaders Summit in Johannesburg, South Africa. A very warm welcome to commence the high-level segment.
Good afternoon, everyone. Warm greetings from President Prabowo to all of you, and also deep appreciation to the government of South Africa for the warm hospitality and excellent arrangement. Actually, I've just arrived maybe an hour ago. It was a long flight, but I'm really happy to see all of you here. And I think this is a huge step to strengthen our relationship, and our commitment to expand collaboration with Africa remains very strong. With collaboration, the emerging economies can shape the future. Global growth must not only be strong, but also fair and inclusive. The visit of President Ramaphosa a few weeks ago to Indonesia reflects deep cooperation between the two countries. Both presidents agreed to have visa-free entry. So I think this is good news for all of you. No more visa. And also to push trade and investment on agriculture and energy. Indonesia also committed to expand outbound investment in South Africa. South Africa is our strategic partner and gateway to the African market. At the same time, Indonesia also offers industrial capacity, human resources, manufacturing network, technology, and entry to ASEAN market. The launch of Indonesia and South Africa High-Level Business Council demonstrate how government and private sector can work together. I also welcome the signing of MOU on strategic industry today. I hope this will bring great benefits for both countries. In closing, I want to emphasize on our commitment to improve investment and economic cooperation with Africa. So if there are any issues, please inform us. Here with me is one of our best ministers, vice ministers, and ambassadors, and of course, our friend from Kadin, Indonesia. And we stand open to assist all of you because Africa is the continent that will set the pace of tomorrow. Africa is growing really fast and full of potential. Africa is the future, and Indonesia wants to build that future together with Africa. Thank you.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.